Yo, stack and pray, 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 yeah, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, aye, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray.
What's up, guys? So I just ordered the little black nail book. It was supposed to be the 3rd edition, but I got sent the 2nd edition, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. But I wanted to show you guys what the book looked like for those who don't have it, and for those who like doing nails like me, not necessarily becoming a nail tech, but just doing them on yourself and having fun with that. So I wanted to show you guys what this book is. So it's black, obviously, little black nail book, and it has nail designs on the front. And when you open it, you get a thank you little card right here. You get a bookmarker, and then you get some acrylic practice sheets. So you have the coffin nails here, stiletto, square, and the oval. So this is what you do. You'll probably just put your acrylic on here and make sure you get your shaping right and all that. So that's really helpful. And then you have a second one. Oh, you have 3. So I think this one is where you practice your placement and your liquid to powder ratio. So that's what you do here. And then this is just a little pamphlet. And then on the back is a price list. So if you are an aspiring nail tech, you can use this to pretty much give a little estimate on your price range for your nails. And then you'll get to the first page. You'll say nail designs by. You put your name, your Instagram, and it has some cute little stiletto nails on the first page. And that's just a little copyright stuff, blah blah blah. And tells you how to use your planner. Color theory, your color wheel. That's so cool. So the reason why I bought this is because, like, as you all may have noticed, is that I haven't been doing nails lately. And that's mainly because I kind of fallen out of love with doing nail designs and doing nails in general. So I wanted to get this so that I can, like, kind of get my mojo back, essentially, because I used to do nails all the time, which is why I started my business to begin with. But now it's like I don't necessarily have the time for it, and then making all my skincare products has kind of taken up most of my time anyway. So I wanted to kind of get this so I can fall back in love with it and fall back in love with my passion and creativity. So that's mainly why I got this book again. But yeah, this is just going over the crystals, the sizing, and then here's your crystal collection. This is so dope. And then here you can do like tracing and practice. And that's pretty much what it is essentially throughout the book. So I'll definitely put the link down below once I figure out how to get my 3rd edition book, or whether or not I have to send this back. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully in the future y'all see me working on the stuff in this book, and I'll like give you little updates on how far I've come, and maybe even do a little practice nails, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip through the rest of these pages so you guys can kind of see, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So I am currently looking at different Shopify themes, and these aren't the free ones. It's actually the ones you have to pay for because I want my website to look more professional. I feel like, although yes, I'm still learning it and I'm still trying to figure out like coding and stuff like that. And don't get me wrong, my website doesn't look bad. It's just I want it to be more animated. I want it to have more like features. So I clicked on one of these features here, and this is pretty much what the layout looks like once I get like my collections in here, my pictures in here. And then what I really liked at the bottom was that this is a video that will play. So something different. I wanted to try this out and like add in all my photos and see how it would look in the end. And the great thing about Shopify is that they let you preview the theme right here. That way you can actually see what it would look like if you were to purchase it. And I think I get a trial with this theme for maybe a week. So that gives me enough time to play around with it, see if I like it. If I don't like it, then I'll just delete the theme and then I don't have to worry about paying for it. So I'll do that, see if I like this theme. If I don't like this theme, then I'll try another one. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do. And then if you guys seen the ending of my previous video, you would know that I'm interested in selling customized Crocs. I won't just say Crocs alone. I think I definitely want to do other things. Like you guys seen how I was doing tumblers at one point and like rhinestones and stuff like that. So I definitely want to branch out and start doing more DIY projects, stuff like that. So I'll probably make a store for that as well. But I don't know exactly just yet if I want to do just my Crocs or if I want to do just the rhinestones or what. But we'll see. Stay tuned.